Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. How to smoke the best hind quarter collaboration. That's right, collaboration. I'm doing a collaboration with Southern Smoke Boss. You hear what I'm saying? I got my man MULLICK and his beautiful wife Terry. Yes, indeed. They make the perfect combination. That's why you got Southern Smoke Boss on YouTube kicking up something good. Look at what MULLICK is doing, but you got to go to his channel to see how he's perfecting this here hind quarter. So let's get into this here video, y'all. Listen. All right, I got a nice piece of hog right here, man. We're about to toss on the grill. I purchased this from the farmer's market in Raleigh, North Carolina. They had a place down there where you could buy nothing but pork. That's all that they sell, just nothing but pork. This only cost me like 25 bucks. So what we're about to do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and prepare some type of injection just so we can flavor up this here type of meat. The first thing that I'm gonna do is, you can see I have a mason jar here. There's a reason why I have a mason jar, and you will definitely see as we continue to go on in the video. So the first thing I'm gonna add in is one raw egg. All right. Along with that is gonna follow some vegetable oil. All right. So I'm gonna definitely take 2 cups of this here vegetable oil, and I'm gonna put it inside the mason jar also. But I want you guys to still go over to Southern Smoke Boss and check out his channel to see how he is cooking up his quarter hind. All right, you got to see exactly what he's doing over there, because I know it's gonna be epic and it's gonna look delicious too. The brother can cook, y'all. So next thing I do have in this ingredients for the injection is some apple cider vinegar. All right, so we're gonna toss in a couple of cups of this here. And I've done this here recipe many times. One of the videos you can see that I prepared this sauce on is a video. It's called Krmwwjd barbecue chicken. Definitely same recipe. And then you can see where I cooked the whole hog, not a whole hog, but it's a half hog, and I'm using the same recipe. I always use the exact ingredients in the exact same recipe for this. So now I'm putting in some salt, and the measurements will be below for you guys to try something like this out. You can try this on ribs, chicken. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be epic and good. You will love it, trust and believe me. So now I got some poultry seasoning, all right, that I'm adding to this here. So this will be enough injection for this here hog, and we're gonna save some for the side, and we're gonna baste this here hog with also. All right, so after the poultry seasoning has been added into it, we're gonna put in some black pepper. Yes. Flavor Town, baby. Flavor Town. Where did I hear that from? So now we're gonna add in some here garlic powder. We got garlic powder going into it. Y'all check out Laquan Keys. He the one that hooked me up with this here beat. Now we got some onion powder going into this here. He got me bobbing my head to the music too. So this is the reason why I got the mason jar, y'all. For those of you who own blenders, that's the bottom of the blender that comes off of your glass picture. Take the bottom of your blender and just screw it on top. You know what I'm saying? And there's the blender. Put the mason jar on it and operate that sucker as if it had a top on it. This is why I like the mason jar technique, all right, because it works perfect. Now since we got our injection blended up, we're gonna go ahead and take us a meat syringe injector and go ahead and start hitting some spots on this here pork. The first places that I like to hit, especially when I'm dealing with pieces like this, is the loin. I want to make sure that I get enough flavor and injection in that loin and keep the loin moist whenever we're cooking it also. So hit all around the meat, you know what I'm saying? Don't be stingy with your injection. Just go ahead and hit that sucker. So as you can see, I'm hitting that loin through the rib bones. And then I got some nice bacon meat on this here, pork belly that is. I'm gonna make sure I get some all up in that area also. And with these here hindquarters, I had to take the hind off of that because, man, it'll be too, I thought it was too big for my grill, but come to find out it wasn't too big. So I'm definitely going to cook that hind quarter later on in another video. So I'm taking some of this here injection and I'm just rubbing it right on inside the cavity, and I'm rubbing it outside too on the backbones. You want to flavor it up. Now we got us some Charlie Mills famous barbecue seasoning mix. This is some good stuff, y'all. I got me a little shaker just so I can put this here Charlie Mills in it. This is also another local down home North Carolina product. And if you want to try some of this here Charlie Mills, just pause that video, man. There's a phone number on there where you could call, and the guy, he's an awesome guy, man. I am no means being sponsored by him. I purchased this with my own money, and I will continue to buy this stuff because it is awesome. It's that good. So as you can see, man, I sprinkled this all over the pork meat. And my goodness, man, you talking about a good bark? Watch the bark whenever this thing is being smoked on that there barrel cooker. All right. So as you can see, I got this thing. I want the backbone facing towards me, and I want the skin side up. So I got some lump coals on two ends, nothing in the middle, and I'm putting my thermometer there because I want that grill to be at 230 degrees while I'm cooking this here. So I'm cooking the meat side down for 5 hours. Once I cook that for 5 hours here, I flipped it over. That's the reason why I want the backbone facing me. So when I flip it, I got the nice, I got the backbone facing the other way, and I can easily work with the meat. So I'm taking some more of this here injection and just rubbing the top of it. And I want this to cook now for additional 2 hours. So 7 hours is what I want. And if you know me, I love George's vinegar barbecue sauce, y'all. And that's what I'm mopping this here hog up with. And if you look at that bark, that's what that seasoning does to it. It gives it a nice bark, nice mahogany color. Then on top of that, the flavor, man, between the seasoning and that George's, oh, it was killer. But I still want you guys to go over and check out Southern Smoke Boss and see what he's doing to his piece of meat on his grill. This is going to be an epic collaboration, and I'm looking forward to doing more collaborations with my brother. Him and Terry are the best. Trust and believe me, y'all. You got to go over there and subscribe and hit that smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification on their end so you can be notified of up and coming videos whenever they're posting videos. And I'm just dabbing this on some chicken also, y'all. This is something that I love. My aunt came over from out of Harnett County, and this is the first time she's ever been over to my house, and I didn't know she was coming. I had to make sure that she got the first plate, and that's what I'm fixing now. I'm fixing her plate because she is also my second mama, and I love her so much. All right, so this is what we got, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, but don't forget to go over and check out MULLICK Southern Smoke Boss and also Terry. Y'all go over to see what he's cooking up over there, y'all, and give them a big, huge hug and tell them Ray Mack sent you. All right, I want to thank you guys for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I always say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.